Alright guys, what I have here is a Testo 880. It's a thermal imaging camera. I'm just going to shoot a quick video. I want to show you how you can use them when you're checking out air conditioners and furnaces. Testo 880. Alright, you can also check your controls. Make sure that nothing is overheating. You're getting too hot in here. You can check all them out. Alright, you'll be able to get your fan motor. I've got hot spot and cold spot going, so the fan's running about 139 degrees right now. Alright, one of the things you can do is come out here to your condenser coil, and you can scan the coil to make sure that you're not overheating anywhere. You have refrigerant coming in at about 122 degrees, 123 degrees, and refrigerant coming out at about 105 degrees, 106 degrees. And you can check your evaporator coil. You can get a cool look at your TXV valve. Get a cool scan of your variable speed blower motor in action. You're going to check out your water heater control valve, and you'll be able to scan up here and check how hot your vent's getting. 117 degrees. I'll also show you homeowners how bad the door is leaking. I've got this open a little bit, so I'll be able to show them some of the wind wash where it blows the insulation back, like mine is. Alright, here's some more wind wash. This is in my living room. And if you're scrolling around in the kitchen, you're saying, I wonder where the register is for the kitchen. I don't see one. Then bam, all of a sudden you see something like this, and you can say, there must be a register right there in the cabinet. You have blankets on the floor where your dogs are. You can see by the dark spots where they drool all over the place. Alright, and just to show you how sensitive it is, just a split second's all it takes to pick up that heat. You get your kids to do stuff like this. And you can get their face on the wall. Alright, then you can check the heat coming off your animals. And yes, kids, you're still animals. You're an animal. And you can take pictures of sleepy dogs. And you can get pictures of nieces listening to music and watching iPods.